Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create a support ticket with Mac. Start by visiting our website at www.macq.eu. Next, click on the Help Desk tab located at the top right of the page. You will need to log in to access the Help Desk. Your login information is provided exclusively by Mac and is designed to be personal, justified, secure, and tracked. Once logged in, choose the appropriate Help Desk request form. Select Camera Repairs for Hardware-Related Issues, or M3 Support for assistance with an active M3 license. Fill out the request form with as much detail as possible and be sure to attach any relevant screenshots or reports. Once you've filled in the form, click Submit. You will receive an email confirming that your ticket has been registered, along with a ticket code to reference your issue. All communication regarding your ticket will be handled through the Odoo system, resulting in an exchange of email notifications. Once your issue is resolved, you'll be notified via email. For more support, visit our website. Thank you for choosing Mac.